lightning bug. Those things are out here. Start right about now. And since Detroit and where we are, Detroit is on the western region of the Eastern time zone, it is still light at like 10 o'clock at night. So that's really cool. Because right now, it's like 8:30, and it's still pretty light out. There we go. Can't really tell what he's doing yet. I've been kayaking, that's our kayak. I don't know what this is quite yet, but he hasn't lighted. He burnt himself earlier. He has a big blister, but holy Harry! Those things are still falling. You can see them. There's a firefly right in front of me. See him lighting up? There's one over there. Didn't light up. I wonder what's next. If you look into the dark woods, you can see tons of fireflies. And here we go. What's that? A bottle rocket?
No.
What is it?
A mortar.
Oh, nice. Sorry. Okay. That's my dad lighting up the fireworks. We were driving to lunch and breakfast one day, and we were on the freeway. There's a big sign that said fireworks, and we just had to stop and buy some. Okay, here comes the mortar. This is awesome. Okay, go to part 3. I'm ending this one.